Now we're going to approach an inequality in the same manner. The only thing we have to pay attention to is sometimes the log can be negative, like if we have log of a number less than 1. So what I'm going to do, first off, I'm going to take the log of both sides. I'm going to say the log of 3 raised to the 5y power is less than the log of 7 raised to the y minus 2 power. Then I'll use my exponent rule. So I have 5y times the log of 3 is less than the log of 7 times y minus 2. And I'll distribute that log of 7 inside. I didn't write 7 there, sorry about that. So I have 5y times the log of 3 is less than y times the log of 7 minus 2 times the log of 7. Then I want all my y's on the same side. So I'm going to subtract y log 7 from both sides. So then I'm going to get 5y. My 5 looks kind of sick there. I'm going to rewrite that. 5y times the log of 3 minus y times the log of 7 equals negative 2 times the log of 7. Now, since I'm solving for y, I'm going to factor my y out. So I'm going to get y times 5 log 3 minus the log of 7. That equals negative 2 times the log of 7. And then to get y by itself, I'll divide both sides by the parentheses. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5 log 3 minus the log of 7. And we can do that as a decimal if you want. So we're going to say negative 2 times the log of 7. Oops, it's not an equal sign though, is it? Bum, bum, bum. Let me change this back to an inequality here. Now the question is, what is 5 log 3 minus the log of 7? Let's find that first. So I'm going to get 5 log 3 minus the log of 7. Now, I found that because I want to know if that's negative. In this case, it was positive. So I don't flip my inequality. So I'm going to have y is less than, and then I'll take negative 2 log 7 divided by my answer. So I'll say negative 2 log 7 and we'll divide by 5 log 3 minus the log of 7. And I'll say that's about negative 1.10. Now the change of base formula, if you haven't noticed that we're kind of using that already. How do I use my calculator to find the log of any base? Because I know I've got the log to the base. I know the natural, not the natural, the common logarithm, log to the base 10. So here's what I'm going to do. Whatever my base is, I'm going to take the log of my argument divided by the log of my base. So if I have log to the base a of n, that's going to be the log of n divided by the log of a. Or if I have like the log to the base 3 of 11, if I want to find that answer, that'll be log of 11 divided by the log of 3, using our common logarithms. So if we want to do an example 5, it says, express the log to the base 3 of 20 in terms of common logarithms, then round or answer to the nearest 10,000. So we're going to say the log to the base 3 of 20 is the log of 20 divided by the log of 3. That's our exact answer. Now we're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So I'm going to take the log of 20 on my calculator. So function log 20 divided by log function, sorry, log 3. Okay, and you get 2.7264. So I'm going to say that's about 2.7264. That's your change of base formula.